why the nations will rise against Israel, and what happens next. In the end times, one tiny nation becomes the center of a global storm: Israel. The Bible is clear. All nations will gather against Jerusalem, not for peace, but for war. Zechariah 12:3 says, "On that day I will make Jerusalem a burdensome stone for all peoples. All who lift it will hurt themselves, and all nations of the earth will gather against it." Why is the whole world obsessed with Israel? Because it's God's land, and it's at the heart of his final plan, the final battle. Zechariah 14:2 says, "I will gather all the nations to battle against Jerusalem." This is the battle of Armageddon. Nations unite under the Antichrist. Israel is surrounded. The city falls. The people suffer. It looks hopeless. But then Jesus comes. The return of the king. Zechariah 14:3-4. "Then the Lord will go out and fight against those nations. On that day his feet will stand on the Mount of Olives." Jesus returns, not as the suffering lamb, but as the Lion of Judah. His feet touch the Mount of Olives. It splits in two. He rescues Israel. He defeats the nations. Revelation 19:11-14 shows Jesus on a white horse with the armies of heaven behind him. He is King of Kings, Lord of Lords. Conclusion: yes, the nations will come against Israel. Yes, dark days are coming. But this is not the end of the story. It's the beginning of Jesus' reign on earth. He will defend his people. He will judge the nations. And he will reign in Jerusalem forever. Are you ready for that day? For more videos, like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel so that the word of God spread every corner of the world.